Looking for the best electric scooters of 2025? In this video, we'll review the top e-scooters with the best speed, range, and features to help you find the perfect ride. Stay tuned to discover the fastest, most efficient, and budget-friendly electric scooters for commuting and adventure. If you want to know about price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Hiboy S2 Pro/S2 Max Electric Scooter. The Hiboy S2 Pro/S2 Max electric scooter is one of the best electric scooters 2025, designed for speed, comfort, and reliability. With a powerful 500W motor, it reaches up to 19 miles per hour, making it perfect for daily commutes or weekend rides. The high-capacity battery offers an impressive 25 to 40.4 miles range, ensuring you can travel longer without frequent charging. Built for smooth and stable rides, this scooter features 10-inch solid tires and rear dual shock absorbers, making it ideal for rough surfaces and speed bumps. Safety is a top priority with ultra-bright headlights and a double braking system, including disc brakes and EABS regenerative anti-lock braking. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry and store, while an optional seat attachment provides extra comfort. Plus, the Hiboy S2 app lets you lock your scooter, customize acceleration, and adjust braking responses. For those searching for the top electric scooters 2025, the Hiboy S2 Pro delivers performance, durability, and advanced features, perfect for commuting and adventure. Number 2. E30 Electric Scooter. The E30 electric scooter is a top contender for the best electric scooters 2025, offering power, speed, and convenience for both adults and teens. With a 350W brushless motor, peaking at 700W, this scooter delivers fast acceleration and a top speed of 18 miles per hour, making it a great choice for city commuting. The 270Wh lithium battery provides an impressive 19.9-mile range, ensuring a reliable ride every day. Designed for stability and comfort, the E30 features 8.5-inch solid honeycomb tires and rear dual suspension, absorbing bumps for a smoother journey. Its aviation-grade aluminum frame supports riders up to 265 pounds and tackles 15% inclines with ease. Safety is a priority with a double braking system, EABS plus disc brake, and integrated headlights, taillights, and turn signals for nighttime visibility. For added convenience, the foldable design makes it easy to store and carry, while the Invanti Smart app allows remote locking, speed customization, and real-time ride tracking. Plus, cruise control lets you relax on longer rides. If you're searching for best e-scooters 2025 or high-performance electric scooters 2025, the E30 is a smart, efficient, and safe choice for daily commutes. Number 3. Gotrax GXL V2 Electric Scooter. The Gotrax GXL V2 electric scooter is a top choice for the best electric scooters 2025, offering a perfect balance of affordability, durability, and performance. Powered by a 250W motor, it reaches a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour, making it ideal for daily commuting. With a 36V 5.2Ah long-life battery, you get a max range of 9 miles, ensuring a reliable ride every time. As one of the best budget electric scooters 2025, the GXL V2 features 8.5-inch solid honeycomb tires that are maintenance-free and puncture-resistant, providing a smooth and worry-free ride. The lightweight aluminum alloy frame makes it portable and foldable, weighing only 27 pounds, so you can easily carry it upstairs or store it in your car, school, or office. Designed for safety and convenience, the GXL V2 comes with cruise control, a front headlight for night riding, and a UL 2272 certification, ensuring a secure and smooth experience. If you're looking for a long-range electric scooter 2025 that is budget-friendly, easy to ride, and built to last, the Gotrax GXL V2 is a fantastic option. Number 4. Segway 9Bot Kick Scooter E2 Plus. The Segway 9Bot Kick Scooter E2 Plus is a top contender for the best electric scooters 2025, combining power, speed, and comfort for an unmatched riding experience. With a 300W motor, it reaches speeds of up to 15.5 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest electric scooters 2025 in its category. The 15.5-mile range ensures you can commute effortlessly without frequent charging, while the large 183% upgraded dashboard provides better visibility for a safer ride. Built for durability and reliability, this scooter features an automotive-grade steel frame, rigorously tested over 3,000 kilometers to guarantee long-term performance. The 8.1-inch shock-absorbing tires and low-center design provide a smooth and stable ride, perfect for city streets and daily commutes. Additionally, the rear light and responsive brakes enhance safety during nighttime rides. As one of the best commuter electric scooters 2025, the Segway 9Bot E2 Plus is designed for both convenience and fun. The 256 RGB ambient lights sync with your speed, adding a stylish touch to every ride. Plus, with cruise control and UL 2272 safety certification, you can ride with confidence. Upgrade your commute with the Segway 9Bot E2 Plus, a perfect blend of speed, style, and safety. Number 5. iScooter 9.3 and 9.4 Electric Scooter. The iScooter 9.3 and 9.4 electric scooter is a top contender for the best electric scooters 2025, delivering power, performance, and convenience for both city commutes and off-road adventures. With an 800W brushless motor, this high-performance e-scooter reaches speeds of up to 24 to 28 miles per hour and handles inclines of 20 to 25 degrees with ease. Its 48V/10Ah battery provides an impressive 25 to 28-mile range, making it a reliable and cost-effective choice for daily travel. Built for versatility, the 10-inch off-road pneumatic tires and dual shock absorbers ensure a smooth and stable ride on city streets, dirt paths, and rough terrains, making it one of the best off-road electric scooters 2025. Safety is a priority with enhanced front and rear lights, turn signals, and ambient lighting, keeping you visible during nighttime rides. Weighing just 51 pounds, the foldable design and adjustable handlebar, 44.5 to 52.8 inches, make it one of the best foldable electric scooters 2025, easy to store and transport. Plus, with the Mini Robot app, you can customize speed settings and lock your scooter for security. If you're looking for power, portability, and durability, the iScooter 9.3 and 9.4 is the perfect ride for 2025. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information about these products, do check out my description. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.